Here at River Forks boat ramp and campsite. The campsite's been closed down for years, so shoot some video of that if you guys want to check out those videos online. It's on Lake Hartwell, the South Carolina side. Got a nice dock I'm standing on here, courtesy dock for the boat ramp you just saw there. Do a pan around. That's an island right there. And I thought this was pretty cool. There's a woman over here with her 3 dogs on the beach. A little early to be swimming for me. She's got it going on. It's like 3 labs maybe? Yeah, there you go. One stick, 3 dogs. Beautiful spring day here. Check out the other videos on this abandoned campground that'll be posting soon. If you like our videos, please subscribe. Have a good one.